Next, I am going to teach you how to use Palmpay to win 10 Naira deals for data. Now, how do we do this? I'm on my Palmpay homepage, so I select data bundle. I can see flash sale and the 10 Naira deal. Now, 10 Naira deal starts at 10. Now, let's say I navigate to the 10 Naira deal. You can see I can get 1 gigabyte for a day for 10 Naira. Now, it starts from 10 a.m. in the morning. So if it was activated, if it was already 10 a.m., I'll be able to grab my offer. But since it's not 10 a.m., as you can see, because the time right now is 5:22, so I have to wait for 10 a.m. to be able to get the flash deal, 1 gigabyte 1 day for 10 naira. So that's like 97% off. So when you want to do this, please wait for 10 a.m. at least. Then you get the 10 naira deal for data, 1 gigabyte for 10 naira. That's awesome.